So dear students, we are going to learn about SN2 reaction. Now SN2 reaction, what is mean of S? S means substitution, N means nucleophilic or nucleophile, and this 2 means bimolecular. Two molecules are taking part, and the nucleophile, when it is going to be attacked to the inside the reaction, that is substitution reaction. Now substitution reaction and nucleophilic reaction and bimolecular reaction, that's why it is called as a SN2 reaction. Now we'll take the example of this. I will write the example. Now dear students, the definition of this SN2 reaction will be like this. The reaction in which the rate of reaction depends on concentration of two reacting species. Now, as I explained you before, 2 means bimolecular, that means two molecules are going to be react in this type of reaction. This is the definition of SN2 mechanism reaction. Now, we will take the example, that is CH3 Br plus OH. OH we are giving negative sign. That's why it is called as a nucleophilic. The nucleophile which is having negative charge on it, that is called as a nucleophile. OH, it will give the product CH3OH plus Br. Now dear students, first of all we have to understand what is the reaction. Now this reaction we can write like this C in center and this 3H, CH3, and it is already attached to Br. What is the name of this compound? Methyl bromide. Methyl bromide of bromomethane. Plus we are going to add hydroxyl ion in it, that is nucleophile. When it is going to attach, it will replace this Br. Now this group will leave the compound, and instead of that OH will come and attach. So compound will be like this, CH3, this OH comes here and Br goes out. Now keep in your mind, Br is also negative part. So this type of reaction is known as SN2 reaction. Now we have to follow, or we have to understand what is the mechanism of the SN2 reaction. Now everyone have to practice this SN1 and SN2 reaction. Now we are discussing about SN2 reaction. So we'll take the mechanism also, because mechanisms are also going to be asked in the exam. So this is the example, and only this example will write and try to find how the reaction takes place, and the mechanism will be written. Now mechanism will be written in this manner. Rate of reaction is equal to concentration, K is constant, concentration of methyl bromide, CH3, Br and OH minus ion, hydrogen ion. So two molecules are going to be directly proportional to this rate of reaction. That's why it is called as a bimolecular reaction or SN2 reaction. Now we will see how OH is going to be attached and how Br is leaving the group. Now we can write in this manner. CH3 and this Br. Now methyl bromide. Now this methyl bromide is going to leave the group, and this OH is trying to attach from backside. That is called as a backside attack. Now keep in your mind, SN2 reaction, inside the SN2 reaction OH minus shows backside attack, Now the compound should be formed, that is called as a intermediate and transition state. Transition state, this will form dotted bond, that is OH will going to form or attach the carbon, and this H is already attached from three sides, and this Br is also trying to move or leave the compound. Now this shows the small amount of charge, and this also shows small amount of charge. This also shows small amount of charge. Now when this transition state complete, we can write like this: PS. PS means transition state, and the compound will be formed like this: OH, COH, H, H, H plus Br. Now, dear students, all of you have to write the reaction, the definition, reaction example, and this mechanism. Everyone have to practice this thing, because this is very important reaction. This will ask, for example, for 3 marks if they ask the mechanism. One thing which is remaining, that is the steps involved in this reaction. Now the silent feature of SN2 mechanism, which are given on page number 221, the single step mechanism with simultaneous bond breaking and bond forming takes place. Backside attack of nucleophile is seen here. Transition state is also seen here. Now these 3 points you have to learn about this SN2 mechanism. So carefully follow the video, try to understand. This dotted bond means what? One bond is going to, OH is going to attach to carbon, and suddenly when OH is going to attach, Br will replace and leave the compound, and this compound will form. This is methyl alcohol, and bromine will leave the group. So in next video we will see SN1 reaction.